It's mineral sunscreen to wear and share, and the company is based right here in Austin. We're welcoming the founders of Goodspread today. It's Felipe and Beth. Y'all, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Thanks for having us.
Thank you for being here. Okay, Felipe, tell me about it. Goodspread, how did you come up with the idea for this business?
Yeah, we founded the company in 2020. I've suffered from severe eczema my whole life, and I decided to start a skincare company. That actually transitioned a couple years ago into a full sun care company. It was just a better fit for the brand. And having seen a lot of the issues in both the skincare and sunscreen industry, we decided to make a push and clean up the industry.
Well, you are going to have had some personal, I'm going to say, negative interactions probably with different creams and things like that you've tried in the past, having had eczema, right?
Oh, it was terrible growing up. Actually,
I'm sorry.
It was pretty severe. I think we underestimate just how potent and bad some of these products are made. Very harmful ingredients, everything from parabens to very aggressive fragrances. And my skin would just blow up with all these ingredients. So I've always been in the search for cleaner products, and that includes, of course, in the sunscreen industry.
Okay, so is that what you did with Goodspread then? Is that you took it down ingredient-wise, maybe made it a little bit easier for us to pronounce?
Yeah, absolutely, and it matters. All the ingredients matter. We stick to mineral sunscreen. It is the gold standard for sun care.
Yes.
We're rated as number 2 on EWG, the Environmental Working Group, meaning that it's a very high quality sunscreen, safe for all. And that really is our goal, is to make a better for you product.
When we talk about mineral, I just want to bring up to everybody at home, that's versus chemical sunscreens. That's the sprays and stuff like that. But the
Correct.
mineral, the physical block, is the stuff that really takes
Wow,
good
that's
care.
excellent.
Hey,
Wow, you're a pro.
I've talked to a lot of dermatologists at this point, and they say don't leave the house without at least SPF 30 on
That's
your
right.
face,
Amazing.
no matter what day of the year it is here in Austin, Texas.
Absolutely.
So,
Absolutely.
Beth, if you don't mind, let's talk about the products that you bought, because you guys have 2 options for
Yes.
people right now.
Yeah, we're very excited. We have the 30 and the 50. We have gone non-nano zinc, so that mineral sunscreen that you're talking about. The 30 is about 94% coverage. The 50 gets you about 97. The big thing is to reapply, to get that coverage. We've gone fragrance free. It's very important. Reef safe. We're Hawaii compliant. We're really proud of this formula. It actually has 0 white cast once it rubs in. So would you like to try
hear
it?
that? Yes, girl.
Yeah,
I love to hear
put a little
that.
bit on you
Because
here.
that is one of the biggest complaints you're going to hear from a little kid, especially even all the way up to an older adult, is I don't want to bother with sunscreen because it's going to have white cast on my skin. So
It's true, and it's actually been detrimental to the development of mineral sunscreens.
Yeah.
And that's why chemical sunscreens have stayed in the market.
right,
Just
because they're just a little bit easier.
they're just a little bit easier, and the look is a little bit maybe more attractive, but a lot has gotten better with the chemistry of non-chemical sunscreens, or physical sunscreens like you call them. And so as you can see, rubs in clear, and
Super
it
easy.
is
Like a
possible with
lotion,
mineral
yeah.
sunscreen now. Yeah.
And I can't believe how little time that took for that white cast to go away as well.
Yeah.
You guys say there's no scent, but I just smelled it. It smells a little bit like chocolate.
It does?
Yeah.
Well, we
the
don't,
cocoa.
the formulas does have its little thing, but they're from the ingredients naturally. We don't add any
Yes.
fragrance.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Okay, because I was going to say it's not a bad smell, all things
No.
Oh, no, it's not
considered,
smell. It's very natural.
to have on you.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
We really wanted this to be worn, right, and shared, and it's important. It's Skin Cancer Awareness Month, so
Yeah,
we really want to
100%.
be putting on sunscreen.
I totally agree with you. Okay, let's talk about your upcoming event. Beth, you guys have something fun
Yes,
you're doing.
Yes, next Saturday, 2 to 6 is Tiny Grocer. Hyde Park is the location. We are doing a summer splash with some amazing partners. We have a DJ coming. We're doing a giveaway. We really are excited about this. So yes.
Oh, it's a perfect opportunity to spread the love,
Yes.
literally,
It is,
with
yeah.
your sunscreen.
Yeah, we're also going to have U.S. derm partners there. They're going to be talking to people about skincare and sun care, which is actually the dermatologist that I literally go to. So the fact that they're participating in the event is just awesome.
Don't you feel
right?
like it gives you a big green check mark for like, I did the right thing with this product?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
Oh, that's so cool. And are you guys so proud to be bringing this product to the market? Local Austin sunscreen makers are a really big deal for us. We love to continue to promote them. Do you want to touch on that, Beth?
Yeah, we are Go Texan certified. We just hit H-E-B shelves about a month ago.
Hey,
I know.
Yeah.
We've been supported by Central Market for a couple years, and they really have been great supporters of us. Tiny Grocer, it's how the party started. It was a reach out. She's very much into supporting community.
We've had her on the show. She's amazing.
Oh, yeah.
She's amazing.
She's great.
Yeah. So she'll be there at the party. So we're really proud to be here and provide a product. I spent a lot of time in Hawaii, and I think Texas and Hawaii have this beautiful culture around taking care of your own, supporting your community, but also making sure you're protecting your environment and making good choices for yourself, creating good habits, sharing for your community. So there's a lot of love in this. It's Goodspread, you know.
Love, Goodspread.
Yes,
That's right.
yes.
You guys did the name correctly.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
and Felipe, just real quickly, where can we shop with you?
You can definitely find us on goodspreadsuncare.com, Amazon, of course, but obviously for us, the most important partner that we have is H-E-B statewide. And of course, Central Market that's been supporting us for a while. So please go to your local H-E-B, support a local Texas brand. We would appreciate it.
Oh, it's amazing. Well, congratulations to the pair of you
Thank you so
on
much.
what you've accomplished. And I'm so excited to be introduced to this today.
Thank
All
you.
right, guys, shop SPF 30 or 50. They've got them both. You can do that online now at goodspreadsuncare.com.